Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing hardware and minimizing conflicts. First, update the Elite firmware on a PC or Xbox so the controller is stable. This reduces input issues. Once done, connect via a high-quality USB-C cable to the PS5 for initial pairing, or plug a compatible 2.4 GHz Bluetooth adapter into the PS5 USB port. Make sure the Xbox wireless radio is off if using wired/adapter, because the controller can try to connect to Xbox otherwise. Now you perform the actual connection. If using wired mode, plug the USB-C cable into the Elite and PS5, then press the PS button to register the controller. This gives immediate input and config. If using a 2.4 GHz adapter, insert it into the PS5, enable adapter pairing, then hold the Elite's share and profile buttons until LEDs flash. This forces the adapter to accept the controller. Make sure PS5 lists the device and assign it to a player slot so you get controller input. Finish by configuring and validating controls. Because the Elite app isn't on PS5, you should set basic button mapping inside each game or use PS5 system settings for basic remaps. Why? So paddles and profiles behave predictably. Test sticks, triggers, and paddles in a quick match or menu. If you run into problems, reboot the console, try a different USB-C cable, reflash controller firmware on a PC, or perform a controller reset. These steps resolve most connectivity or input recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.